This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tick, 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 tick. Ha, 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 ha. I am the tickle girl, and I love to tickle. Ticky, 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 tick. Ha, 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 ha. Come here, I'll catch you, and I want to tickle you. Tickling is funny, so here we go. Tick, 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 tick. Ha, 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 ha. Ticky, 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 tick. Ha, ha, ha.
Good job!
Sponge. Lipstick. Face cream.
Oh no!
Sponge. Aha. Face cream. Yeah. Lipstick. Aha. Mom. Playing with mud is so much fun. Hey, stop. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Where is the water hose? Here I come. I will catch you. Run, run, run. Uh-oh. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Playing with mud is so much fun. Do-do-do-do-do. Whoa! Fantastic! Whoa! Blue, blue coloring must be my friend. My friend is blue. Peekaboo! Oh no! What is happening? I'm so sad. My colors are gone. Help me out. Wow! Colors, colors of the world. Orange, red, and yellow. Colors, colors of the world. Green, pink, blue, a rainbow. Colors, colors. Colors, colors. Yeah. I can use my magic wand. Make everything
Aha.
big and super wow. Ooh la la, magic wand. Make me big and super wow.
Good job!
Huh? So you gotta move like me.
Oops.
Move like me.
What?
Move like me. Gotta move like me. Move like me. I'm gonna bring the head and fix all the eyes on me. 1, 2, 3. My hips going left, going right. Tell your girl that you didn't see. Huh? Gotta move like wow. Flamingo. Yeah. Giraffe. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow.
Oh! Uh-huh.
School glue. Glitter. Let's go.
Wow!
Excellent. It's a puzzle game. Let's do this. Fill this puzzle piece by piece. So
Aww.
many shapes, eyes, mouth,
Yeah.
and nose. Where do they go? Where do they go? It's a kitty. Tomato. Wow. Little kitty, 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 little kitty,
Cheese.
kitty, kitty,
Onion.
little kitty,
Patty.
so cute.
Lettuce. Tomato. Fun. Woo-hoo-hoo. Purple. Yeah. Beige. Green. Red. Blue.
Oh.
Fantastic. Green. Yeah. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Gray. Good. Woo-hoo-hoo. Orange. Yellow. Red.
Wow. Whoa.
Great.
Set and a speckle log. One start to do the dance. Everyone's in shock. Oh, wow. 5 little speckle
Wow.
dogs sat on a speckle log. One jumped into the pool. Everyone's in shock.
Yes.
How many frogs?
Let's go.
How many frogs
Wow.
are now sitting in the log?
Red.
1, 2,
Green.
3, 4, 4
Red.
little frogs.
Red.
1, 2,
Green.
3, 4
Red.
sitting in the
Green.
log.
Excellent.
1, 2, 3.
Ouch.
Red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, 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 red shark, 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 red shark, 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 red shark, shark, shark.
Wow.
Red shark, 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 red shark, shark, shark. Red shark, 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 red shark, shark, shark.
Wow.
Paint the 2 spoons and leave them to dry. Once dry, cross them over and glue them together like this. Then, carefully stick them to the back of a paper cup. Draw a black circle onto each ping pong ball to make the eyes like this. Take a red strip of card and curl it around a pen like this to make a tongue. Finally, glue your eyes to the spoons, use a pen to draw a mouth and stick on your curly tongue. Now your pen pot is ready to use. Fantastic! First, take a small cardboard box and paint it any colour you like. When it's dry, you can add the different camera parts. How about a sticker for the flash, a bottle top for the lens, and a piece of ribbon for the strap? Add the bead on top for the button, and smile! Oh look, it's the shapes! Picture perfect! And then place the ice cream scoops on the cone. First, decorate a triangle of card so it looks like an ice cream cone. Stick the cone to 2 lollipop sticks. Using glue, stick each pom-pom to a wooden peg. I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ice cream scoops. Now we're ready to play the game. Roll the die and then place the right number of ice cream scoops on the cone. 1, 2, 3. I'm a winner!